Greetings, I'm Charles. I'm 55 years old. I'm 6'1" when I'm fully assembled and weigh about 220 pounds. Today I'm going to talk about an easy way to carry your stash of boxes, or maybe your Christmas gifts, or you buy a lot of stuff online, you need to bring it in from outside, you have a bunch of boxes. Sitting in a wheelchair, and it's just tough to manage oftentimes. So what I have found that's pretty useful is I can take my transfer board, something that I didn't think I was going to have much use for after about a month of after surgery and stuff, but I have found a good use for it. I kind of keep it handy around, and what I can do, my transfer board kind of has a bump and a little bit of a point on it, so what I do is I flip it upside down to the rough part so that the point in the middle is down and it's cradled between my legs. I don't know if you could tell from this picture, but I only have part of the leg on this side, and this side I only have part of the leg too, but I've got a prosthesis connected to it. So what I'm going to do is set this transfer board right here on my lap, and given that, I can stack my boxes on here. I can stack them up about as much as I'm comfortable with in real life, and it's a heck of a lot easier to balance when I'm moving my wheelchair when I have these flat on the transfer board, as opposed to just trying to straddle them in my lap. So hopefully it's just an easy trick you might be able to use for moving around boxes, packages, and things of that nature. Good luck. And I apologize for this unfortunate close-up.